The Inca Empire, established in the 13th century, ruled over millions in the Andean mountains. They built incredible roads, farmed on steep terrains, and built one of the most organized societies in history. A visionary leader, Pachacuti, expanded the empire and transformed it into the Tawantinsuyu, spanning Peru, Ecuador, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina. There were no written languages or iron tools, but the Inca innovation gave them unprecedented results. They built breathtaking cities, carved terraced mountains, and developed an efficient system of quipu. However, their society relied on the meta system, where citizens contributed labor to the state in exchange for food, protection, and support. The Inca Empire was immense, reaching over 10 million people, and its power deriving from the Sapa Inca, believed to be sent by the sun god. However, the empire's strength also made it vulnerable to danger from within and without. Between 1532 and 1533, the Spanish conquistador Francisco Pizarro captured the Inca emperor Atahualpa, who had offered a treasure beyond imagination. The Spanish embraced this wealth, but not the terms posed by the emperor. Atahualpa was executed, and the empire began disintegrating. The legacy of the Inca lives on today, through Machu Picchu and South American culture. This extraordinary civilization taught us to never give up, even when facing seemingly insurmountable challenges.